Because you didn't say the entire what's up, guys, we're going to go with this slime tutorial. You were doing these yelling.
Let's go back there. You said?
You only won.
That means I actually did win, and you just...
Today, we're going to be doing how much is too much, except it's going to be basic slime versus cloud slime.
What is basic slime? What is cloud slime?
I want to see what's the difference in adding, you know, too much and stuff like that.
I wasn't listening.
Anyways, let's get straight on into the video. Yo. First one! What are you doing? Okay. This first one, we're gonna be doing a clay, and we are gonna see how many ice cream scoops.
It's too many.
Ice cream scoops.
In slime.
Paul's got the basic slime, I've got the cloud slime. And we're gonna see how many ice cream scoops it takes to, I guess,
destroy the slime.
I wanna start off with like 4
Yeah,
ice
we
cream
should have done ice cream balls.
What?
What is ice cream balls, Paul?
How about we start with 10? You know one is not gonna do anything.
I know, I just said I'm gonna start with 4. You need to listen. And my 4th ice cream scoop. Look how cool. You know, usually when I add clay to cloud slime, it's not too bad, but like, it seems like it's already starting to get really rippy and it's not really drizzly anymore. Is this already too much? Is 4 ice cream scoops too much clay for cloud slime?
All right, my slime is still good.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to call quits here, cause
No, you're not quitting. You're putting more in there. I want to see what happens. She's already quitting when it's perfectly good
it's
slime.
terrible. This
It's
is not
beautiful.
cloud cream, but you know, it is still like kind of together. It's like cloud dough almost, you know, it doesn't stretch. It's just like doughy. So maybe I should just add a little bit more scoops.
Can I make a tower? This is half a bucket, by the way. And here it is. And it's still sliming.
What Amir would say.
It is exactly what I was saying. Okay, I'm gonna add 4 more ice cream scoops. So this is 7 scoops in total.
And mine is 14. And let's see how buttery this is. Okay, for my understanding is the more clay you put, the butterier it gets. Because that makes butter slime, right?
But I don't think you could really ever have too much clay.
We'll see about that, Amir.
Oh, look at this spread. That's the longest spread ever.
Not really.
I'm gonna put 10 more scoops.
You know, actually, I think mine's getting better. Like, it was super rippy before. Now it's actually kind of starting to stretch, which kind of makes sense because I'm putting a bunch of clay in it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I thought that putting more in mine was just gonna make it worse, but I just realized I think it's making it better somehow.
Yeah.
I really don't think that there is too much clay you can put.
Okay, so far I put, how many? I lost count, but it's about 30. I want to just add the rest of the bucket. 1 entire bucket into a tiny 8-ounce cup. Look at the size difference. This is how much clay I put, and this is how much slime I put. I'm adding an entire bucket.
I don't even know if I should keep going at this point. Like, this is basically clay with snow in it.
It's going to break one day.
It will not break.
It will break.
Clay doesn't break. Clay's literally stretchy.
No.
I don't know what you're trying to get to
I'm
here.
trying to destroy this slime. Okay, that didn't work. I'm adding 2 buckets.
I'm gonna have to go with 4 scoops is too much for cloud cream because I think the point is that it's not cloud cream anymore. I wasn't able to drizzle it, so I'm gonna leave it at 4 scoops. This is just clay.
I'm at 2 entire buckets. You got a weak slime.
I don't even know what you're doing.
You got a weak slime.
You've got no slime.
Weak.
You're just weak.
Slime is supposed to be clicky, okay? Clicky and stretchy. This is stretchy still, but is it clicky? Let's see. I think you're done.
Check this out. That's 3 buckets. I'm adding 1 more.
Why?
Why not?
There's no point.
There's plenty of slime
You're
in there.
basically just making extra sticky, slimy clay. You could just put those back in the buckets and I wouldn't even notice.
All right, now we're gonna mix it all in, and then it's not gonna be slime anymore.
This is called snow clay.
And this is called super buttery
called
extreme.
clay, Paul.
Super
That's
buttery.
just clay.
I'm adding 4 more buckets.
What is this man doing? Paul, no, you're not adding 4 more buckets.
I have to destroy the slime.
No.
It's still sliming though.
You're not wasting 4 more buckets of clay.
You know you're saying, look, it's still sliming. Amira, if this is still sliming,
Paul, that's
it's
clay.
it's not sliming
It's
anymore.
literally
I destroyed it.
You've been destroyed. So it's safe to say 4 buckets of clay does destroy. Now
I
I could
think-
put another 4, but she won't let me.
We could have guessed that 4 buckets of clay was too much.
How am I supposed to know if I don't do it? But it's not sliming and it's still sliming.
No, it's not, okay? Next level.
Round number 2.
Let's go.
We got water this time. Now, I have no freaking confidence in this slime at all. Paul, you're okay. It's gonna get sticky, I know that.
That's because I'm better than you.
This is cloud slime, so I know for a fact that this is just gonna turn into a bunch of slobby, muddy mess thing.
Now, I want to start with an entire bottle.
What do you mean? We're supposed to go by cups.
I am?
Yeah, we are. So an 8 ounce of cloud fluff. We're gonna add 8 ounces, which is a cup of water.
I added 16 ounces of water. Totally know that measurement.
It's not too bad.
And this is mine so far. It needs some activation, but oh, is it nice? It's becoming water slime. Ooh, I like water slime. Let's activate this thing. And there it is, slime.
Bruh.
Now, I don't know if I should, like, what's the point of this? It's still like, it's sliming, but is it cloud?
Is it sliming? It's not sliming.
It is, but I just have
No.
to add some activator. It's just unactivated right now.
All right, let's see.
I'm gonna add some food coloring too, because this is just white.
I mean, I think the regular slime is gonna win.
Do you think?
I think I'm gonna win.
Well, technically, because this is cloud slime, it's already got more water in it than that does. That has more glue.
That's what a loser would say. All I hear is excuses.
Oh, bam, look at that.
I'm sorry.
What?
You tried to kill, you can't kill me.
That looks really nice. Did it make more? Did it double the size?
Well,
can you check?
technically, yeah, because
Did it
I
double?
added an 8 ounce.
Put it in the 8 ounce and put it in my 8 ounce. Did it double the size?
I think it did.
What?
You got 2 cloud slimes.
No.
Slime hack.
No.
Genuinely a slime hack.
That is amazing. I'm amazed. What in the world?
You ever hate sharing? You just put some water and now you got 2 of them.
I still wouldn't share.
Me neither.
Amira, I think yours is winning compared to mine. I'm trying to
yeah, mine
activate
is
it.
staying together.
Yeah, and mine is still like this mess.
I'm actually having a really good time. Like this is, it did change the texture, all right? It's not the same exact texture. It's more like squishy and wet, but I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so it's still sliming. It's still clouding and it's still sliming. So I'm gonna add another cup of water and we'll see where that goes. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put food coloring in this.
I ruined my slime.
Yeah, it looks like you did.
What if I add more water?
Would it fix it?
You know what? I think you need more like strong activator, stronger activator.
Yeah, but Amira, I was not expecting this whatsoever.
Oh, this looks cool. It looks like blueberry mush.
Amira, that's disgusting.
This actually looks so pretty.
Bruh.
I'm really digging this color. I'm gonna make a slime with this. I don't know, should I make like a blueberry mashed potatoes? I kind of want to do
No.
that. It's funny though. I want to do it. I love making, like ever since I was a child, and I'm saying like 11 years old, I liked changing things that were normal into something that just wasn't normal. So now I'm gonna change mashed potatoes to blueberries, and it's gonna be the most beautiful thing ever. And if anybody asks you who asked, I asked, and I told you to do it, and I said it was okay to do it, so do it.
What'd she
Anyways.
say? Did you guys listen?
Yeah, of course I listen. Activator. You remind me of a freaking. I didn't know you were recording.
I'm adding a lot of water. I'm killing this slime. I'm done with it.
Well, I, on the other hand, activated my slime.
I added the entire bottle of water, and now we're going to kill the slime. Wait, it's still sliming. No, you added color. Oh,
Well, it was too bland. It needed some color.
Wow, it's still sliming,
Oh,
guys.
that's a pretty color. Here's my slime. It is no longer clouded, but it is sliming.
Oh, I like
Get
that.
your hand out of there. It's sliming still. It's not clouding, like I said. It still has like a bit of a cloudy texture, but it's not like drizzly, but it is slimy. And I do now have 3 times the amount of slime. So if you've got 3 people and you want to make bigger slime, however, you don't really care about the cloud slime and activator, you do need an activator. Don't forget the activator. I'm gonna add another cap. I don't know what color I should, I want to put pink this time.
I'm not gonna lie, I think I killed my slime, and I feel great about it.
Where's my pink? I couldn't find my pink activator. I mean, what am I saying? Couldn't find my pink inflammatory coloring, so I got this random pink bottle. It's also very pretty. This looks like even more like some type of wild berry soup. I think I am done mixing. I'm gonna add my activator now. I think it's actually still gonna work. What do you guys think? I need to win this round. I didn't win the first one.
You already won? I mean, look at my slime.
Yeah, but you added the entire bottle. Although I think I've gotten farther than you anyways.
Yeah,
Which I'm so surprised. Like, did the instant snow like make it more like, I don't even know what I'm saying, man.
I want to just take a bath in this.
What's stopping you? I've got a pool over there. Just don't take your clothes off.
Yeah, but we have a lot of,
A lot of what?
well, that'll be a lot of slime to waste.
No, you're just gonna do it in there. I think this is the end for me. I think I did win though, so in your face.
I won the first round.
So since I win, Paul has to get slimed now.
Okay.
I'm joking, don't do that. Mine still halfway works because it kind of comes off your hand. It's just like, it's not good. If somebody gave this to me, I wouldn't be happy. Next level, foam beads. Okay, for this one, I think I'm gonna give the win to Paul. I think he's gonna win because it's slime and mine's not, it's cloud. It just doesn't really work. But I'm gonna put some for the coloring. This is not food coloring. Put some coloring in this cloud. And Paul's gonna stand there and do that. Do you know what you're doing?
This time I will be adding it cup by cup, just like Amira said.
Thank you.
Yep. Amira, did you put blue food coloring?
You didn't notice?
Why blue?
Oh, I'm sorry, did you want purple?
No, this is gonna be ugly. You sabotaged me. This could have been sweet cream pea. Now it's blue nasty peas.
What is up with you and sweet cream whatever? Like, you can't just put sweet cream and stuff and it's just like a thing.
It's a thing.
There is no such thing as sweet cream pea.
I'm adding my second cup.
I am gonna add my foam beads now. We're gonna add 1 cup. I got pretty pastel beads.
Ooh, I love beads.
Oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna get a bowl.
Amazing.
Yeah, it looks really cool. Like,
Wow.
I actually really like it, but I think my slime is already starting to kind of fall apart, so it's not going well. But it does look really pretty. I'm gonna make it like bubblegum floss or something, I don't know. This is really pretty.
All right, Amira, while you're on your first cup, I'm gonna do my third cup.
Mine won't even take all of the beads I have. And it's already like ripping. I feel like the second cup is gonna finish it. These foam beads are so pretty. Like, I just need like a pool of it in my room so I can just kind of chillax in there.
And be kawaii.
I'm on my 4th cup. Amira, I think I'm winning this one.
No, I said that from the beginning. Mine is going so bad. It looks so pretty though, but I feel like this is one of those slimes that you'd see like at the store and it looks so pretty, but as soon as you take it out of the packaging, it's like this. Okay, this is how you make
Kawaii bubblegum brownies.
I actually really want to try that now. Imagine that, kawaii brownies. I have to open up another business. I'm done with Slamatory.
I'm just kidding, guys.
Amira, do you think I can add a 5th one?
I think you could add like 2 more,
Let's do it.
honestly. Mine, on the other hand, it's like really like, I don't even think I should. I think this should be the end. 3 cups is too much for cloud cream.
3 cups?
Whoever knew that cloud cream would turn into this?
Amira, wait, you put 3?
Yeah, why?
I thought you only put 1. All right, I don't know about my slime anymore. Amira, you set me up for failure. You said 2 more and look at it.
Oh, I did, but it's like, I don't think I should add another one. I think I'm done for, right? This is bad. It looks pretty though. Like, if I just put this in a jar, maybe I could scan somebody, you know? Paul, look at this slime is so amazing.
Got it. I buy it. How much do you want? Okay.
Like $15, don't play with it yet.
I found this wallet in my closet. This is still sliming.
Paul, no, that's gonna make a mess.
This is what you do? I seen you do this.
I didn't do that.
You always add the whole
Prove
thing.
it!
Oh yeah. No, we're getting somewhere now. We're destroying that slime.
Hey, you ever like think about like this kind of looks like money? Like money slime? Some crunchy money.
And it's destroyed.
Hulk smash.
We can say that a magical clay bucket worth of foam beads is too much for a 8-ounce slime.
Okay, well that is it for today's video. I think we learned some stuff. You can double the size of cloud cream and put some water in it, but don't put clay or
And don't triple it.
foam beads in it, and don't triple it. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Make sure you guys comment down below if you want more. Press that like button so that you can
Can I do that with you real quick?
press that like button.
If you want her to
Also-
post more, gotta press that like button.
That's also true. I will post more. But I also haven't been posting as much because we did open up a Slamatory store. Some of you guys probably have heard, but if you haven't, we opened up a Slamatory store. So if you're in the area, Gilbert, Arizona, Santan Village, please come and visit us. I would be so freaking happy, guys. It's doing, people are liking it. People are liking slime and I'm really happy, and there's a lot of people learning about slime and it's amazing. So if you guys want some slime, come visit Slamatory. I will also have the address in the description down below if you need more help. And that is it. Thank you so much. I really hope I see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye, peace.